Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is the 3rd grade lesson 17 worksheet. And so the first worksheet asks us to add these numbers and they're all from different place digits. So the first one gives us 500 plus 10 plus 2. So the 5 is in the hundreds place, the 1 is in the tens place, and the 2 is in the ones place. So if you have a 3-digit number and you're adding them, then you just put, since 5 is in the hundreds place, you put 5 in the hundreds place. 1 is in the tens place, so you put 1 in the tens place. And 2 is in the ones place, so you put 2 in the ones place. So your answer becomes 512. Similarly, for number 2, there is 4 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. So when you write the number, you just write 44 with the 4 in the tens place and the 4 in the ones place. Let's try number 7, 3,000 plus 100. So this is in the 3 is in the thousands place and the 1 is in the hundreds place, which means that, so if we have a 4-digit number, then the 3 goes in the thousands place and the 1 goes in the hundreds place. And we don't know what to put for the last 2 digits, so we just fill them in with 0. And you can check by actually adding it out, so 3,000 plus 100. And then 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 plus nothing is 3. And so you check your answer and you see that it is the same. Okay, next worksheet is dividing. So dividing is like multiplication, but the reverse. So it's like so. Okay, so for number 1, we have 30 divided by 5. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 30 circles, and we want to divide them into 5 equal groups. So if you want to do that, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that we've divided them into 5 equal groups, we see how many is in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 in each group, which means that 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Okay, for number 2, since it's hard to draw 68 circles, you can just think of it as separately. So what's 6 divided by 2 and what's 8 divided by 2? And when you think of that, 8 divided by 2 is 4, so 4 goes in the ones place. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so the 3 goes in the tens place, and that's your answer, 34. 14 divided by 2 is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 14, and you want to divide it into equal groups. So we have 14 divided by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7. So now we have equal groups, and each has 7 small circles, which means that the answer would be 7. Okay. Next is multiplication. So 4 times 2 is like, so this is like division. You can still use circles, so 4 groups of 2. 2 groups of 4. You can think of it either way. So there's 2 groups of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means that there's a total of 8, which is the answer. So 4 times 2 is 8. 9 times 6 would be the same thing as 9 groups of 6 or 6 groups of 9. I'll do 6 groups of 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if you count all of them, you would turn out to have 54 circles, which is your answer. 4 times 3, if you do the same thing, you get 12. 5 times 9, you get 45. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 8 is 35. Wait, actually, it is not 35, it is 40, my bad. Let me just erase that, and then it's 40. Okay, 9 times 4 is 36, 2 times 9 is 18, 6 times 5 is 30, 9 times 3 is 27, 6 times 6 36, 9 times 4 36, 11 times 8 88, 20, 55, 48, 12, 8, 10, and 42. So these are the answers. You can check them or pause. Oh, that's a 55. Okay, you can check your answers and I'll move on. So word problems. Kai has 29 crayons. He breaks 7 of them and loses half of the remaining crayons. How many crayons does he have left? So he originally has 29. So 29, and he breaks 7 of them. So 29 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus nothing is 2. So he has 22 crayons as of now. And then he loses half of the remaining crayons. So then you do 22 divided by 2, and you get 11, which means that he has 11 crayons left. Since he lost 7, and he broke 11. Lucas has 50 different books. 36 of them are red, 4 of them are green, and the rest are black. How many books are black? So if he has 50 books, and 36 of them are red, and 4 of them are green. So 36 plus 4 equals 40. So there are 40 red and green books, and the rest are black, right? So you do 50 minus 40, and you get 10. So your answer would be 10 black books. Don't forget to label your answers. Okay, Mark has 49 pennies and gets 2 more from his friends for his birthday. He loses 9 and gives away 15. How many pennies does he have now? Okay, so he has 49 pennies and he gets 2 more from his friends for his birthday. So 49 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 4 plus nothing plus 1 is 5. So he has 51. But he loses 9. So 51 minus 9. You have to change that to 11 by bringing over a 10 from the 5. So 11 minus 9 is 2, and 4 minus nothing is 4. So now you have 4. But that's not the end. He also gives away 15. So 42 minus 15. Change that to a 12 by bringing over a 10 from the 4, and the 4 becomes a 3. So 12 minus 5 would be 7, and 3 minus 1 would be 2, and that's your final answer. He has 27 pennies left. Okay, last. Johnny has 20 pieces of candy. He finds 5 more on the floor, then shares 9 with his friends. How many pieces of candy does he have left? So he has 20 pieces of candy, and he finds 5 more on the floor. So 20 plus 5 is 25. Then he shares 9 with his friends. So 25 minus 9. Because each friend gets 1 piece. So 5 minus 9, you have to change that to a 15 by bringing over 10 from the 2, which makes it a 1. 15 minus 9 is 6, and 1 minus nothing is 1. So he has 16 pieces of candy left. Okay, that's the end. And I hope you understand everything now, and hope you have a great rest of the week. Bye!